guys, welcome back to JK Studios. So today's episode is going to be sick because we are going to fit this fork into this hardtail. So it's been a while that we haven't ride this white color hardtail. It's because we want to upgrade this sick fork. Yep, so let's drop it in for some action to build this bike. Let's go! Alright, so after fitting in the spacers and all those stuff like this stem and the cap, yeah, so that's all. And now let's fit in the handlebar. So the handlebar, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to steal it from my red bike. Yep. Alright guys, so we are so close to finish it, but the rain just started to drop. Alright guys, so this is the second day. The first day we were fixing on this bike and we left the handlebar, but yesterday night I had already done with this handlebar, and let's drop it in and try this sick fork. Give it a test. So the PSI now is 95 and I changed it to the hardest settings. Yep, this one. Still got left one more is the lockout. Then I chose the hardest settings, and the rebound is the middle one, in between. Yeah, in between the middle. So let's go. Alright guys, so move on to the first test, which is our drift through this corner. Yeah boy. So guys, this fork is very nice. It's very stiff because I changed it to the stiffest settings, and it's suitable for drifting. So drift test on. Let's move on to the next test. So now we have changed the settings. I changed it to the second stiffest. So just now the stiffest is here, and now second stiffest. So let's move on to test this fork. So let's move on this second test and test the fork. Ooh. Oh. Woo. Sick, man. Sick, man. No. Oh. Okay, so this fork worked very well. Steep head angle, nice. Next spot, and let's try this fork. Oh, dreams, just dreams. Alright guys, so now we are going to play this trail, which is called Shaolin, which is a lot of jumps, right?
Yeah.
Okay, drop it in. Travis go first. Travis will lead the way. Let's drop it in, boy. Alright guys, so I found a nice spot to jump, which is this one. And let's drop down this berm and test this fork. Alright guys, so now I've changed this fork to the hardest settings, the stiffest. And now let's drop it in. Drop it in. Another jump. Let's wait for Travis and only let's jump. Whew. So after this jump, let's drop it in with Travis. Travis, let's go! Oh my god, this one cannot jump. What happened to this tree? Woo! Wow, roots! Hated roots the most. Whew. Almost there. Woo! Oh yeah, boy! Alright guys, so that's the end of the test, and this bike is very sick. It has multiple choices. I mean, like, yeah, you can just do whatever you want and rebound settings. And then the last words I want to say is it to avoid or shortlist or go ahead and buy this? My review is, if you are not if you are on budget, you might go and buy this straight away and go and buy. If you have a lot of money, like you want to buy something expensive, you may just go ahead to buy Olin's, Fox, and even RockShox. So I hope you guys like it and hope you guys will subscribe. See you in the next one. See you, subscribe.